This is the Dakota K2 by Intex. It is an inflatable kayak or canoe, and we were looking for their Explorer, which is a model that is bright yellow, and we've seen a lot of people use it. We know several people that own one, and we were not able to find one, but we found this Dakota K2 at Academy, and its current price is 90 bucks. So let's take a look. I think that weighs about 30 pounds. Feels like.
It's like a carrying bag?
Yeah, it's got a carrying bag. And it feels like the carrying bag's made from that same stuff those reusable shopping bags are made from. This feels heavy. It doesn't feel like cheap at all. So we figured out there's a numerical sequence to which chamber you're supposed to inflate first. For instance, this is number 1.
This is 2.
And number 2 would be the other side.
Number 3 is directly.
Where's that 2? And then 3 is directly across there, as you can see.
The sides have Boston valves, so it makes it super quick to inflate and deflate in our case.
And so you just have to inflate to the point where these lines match up. So I think we just have, I think that's pretty good right there, actually. Okay, there's with chamber 2 inflated. Kind of looks like a kayak now.
Okay, it said to inflate to about 75% of capacity, so I think I've overinflated that a little bit. That looks about right. You think?
Mm-hmm. Kind of awesome how it popped to life there.
So it looks like these rubber things just go on to stop the water.
Coming up on your wrist and hands bugging you.
And you just pop the tab in. 1.
And that one has 3 holes. Why?
So you can adjust the angle
Okay.
depending on what side you row on. These are bendy.
Ta-da. Okay, we got one seat in. We're gonna put the other, there's Velcro on the bottom of the seat.
It's adjustable.
All right. Okay, these are patches that came with it. The instructions say it's a good idea to keep that in these dry bags that came along with it.
Along with the pump.
Along with the pump, okay. Okay, well, that's the Dakota K2, and all in all, it took us about 20, 25 minutes to fumble our way through it for the first time. And I'm pretty sure that the next time we do it, it'll take about 10. So we're gonna go find out if it'll float.
Here we are. About 45 minutes later, after we inflated the raft for the first time, we're out on the lake, which we happen to live across the street from, so it didn't take us that long to get there. Feels sturdy, was easy to get done.
Okay, we have floated this Dakota K2 3 times now in the last 2 days, and it breaks down great, folds up great, propels great, navigates great. I would say highly recommended. And it packs all the way back in this bag and ready to, for 90 bucks, you can't beat this. We paid 90 bucks at Academy. So maybe I'll go buy a second one. Anyway, enjoy.